Your Excellency, Dr. Hani Swelam, welcome to the Regional Center for Water Resources and Studies, Water Studies. Let me, on behalf of my colleagues, welcome you all today. I will not give a speech, but I will let you with a video presenting the Regional Center for Training and Water Studies and its capabilities. Thank you.
Training is an essential tool for every party, looking forward to preparing human cadres capable of meeting business needs and keeping pace with global developments. In the interest of the Ministry of Water Resources and Irrigation to develop human capabilities, it was established in 1994 by establishing a distinguished edifice. The Regional Training Center for Water Resources and Irrigation is in the 6th of October city on an area of about 41,000 square meters, which has 6 other branches in Kafr al-Sheikh, Damanhur, Za'azi, Fayoum, Minya, and Isna. The objectives of the center are to achieve sustainable development goals and exchange information in the field of water management by providing distinguished training in addition to supporting studies and scientific researches, also encouraging communication between information centers and establishing a regional network for cooperation in the field of water resources management. In 2002, an agreement was signed according to which the training center became a second-ranked accredited regional center under the umbrella of UNESCO to serve the arid and semi-arid regions. It was also accredited by the Central Agency for Organization and Administration, the Supreme Council of Universities, and the International Computer Driving License (ICDL). The center offers several levels of training programs at the national level. It targets the employees of the Ministry of Water Resources and Irrigation, including senior leaders and engineers of various specializations, as well as workers in financial and administrative affairs and technicians. It includes various levels of specialized technical courses for engineers and technicians, courses in the field of financial and administrative affairs, computer programs, English and French language courses, administration and personal skills development, in addition to the work rules and regulations and the laws of irrigation and drainage. The national programs also address the strategic challenges facing the ministry, such as programs to support digital transformation for the transition to e-government, the move to the new administrative capital, program management to support the exploitation of state assets, and programs to prepare the youth, middle and senior leaders to face rapid work environment changes.
I'm here at the training center in 6th of October, the main center for the introduction course for coastal engineering modeling, which considered as an introduction to coastal engineering. Of course, this course helps me in knowing the basic of designing protection coastal structure and knowing the affecting factors on them, in addition to numerical models and knowing how to work on numerical model and then design a physical model to learn how to test the project on a miniature model, also called physical model. I'm here at the Irrigation Training Center to attend the training course for administrative leaders. It is useful in many topics, such as leadership and skill management, laws and strategy of the ministry, and how to be effective and productive in my administration. Each of us has a responsibility and is able to serve his administration by carrying out his responsibilities.
At the regional level, training programs are directed to professionals in the management of water resources in arid and semi-arid regions, especially Arab and African countries in the Nile Basin. The training includes several areas like integrated water resources management, on-farm irrigation and drainage water management, groundwater management, the dam safety, rain harvesting, remote sensing applications, geographic information systems, and others. The center is also keen to train, whether at the national or regional level, a distinguished elite professors and specialized experts from the Ministry of Irrigation, research centers, government agencies, Egyptian universities, and accredited companies. The trainees are also given accredited certificates. The center is equipped with modern equipment at the highest level of efficiency and excellence, as it contains 10 training rooms and 3 conference rooms equipped with simultaneous interpretation systems and audiovisual aids for holding training courses, seminars, meetings, and workshops. Full accommodation and catering services are provided by 3 hotels through 178 single rooms, 10 suites, a swimming pool, a playground, a gym, a cafeteria, 2 restaurants, 5 computer laboratories, 5 engineering laboratories in the fields of concrete and building materials, soil mechanics, water quality, hydraulics and water sources, in addition to a library containing audiovisual equipment, and internet is also provided, as well as different means of transportation and entertainment. The center also organizes scientific visits for students and trainees to some projects and sites related to training programs. Also organize educational and recreational trips to tourist and archaeological sites to support cultural and civilizational exchange. The great leap that occurred in the center training level led to the beginning of new forms of cooperation between it and a large number of local or international bodies such as the Supreme Council of Universities to provide digital transformation programs, and the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology to provide programs to prepare workers moving to the administrative capital, ICDL Foundation, the American University, the Japanese agency JICA, the German GIZ, and the Dutch NUFFIC, the Dutch MSM, the Egyptian Agency for Partnership for Development, the Supreme Council for Training, the Environmental Affairs Agency, the American University in Cairo, Cairo University, Ain Shams University, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and other parties. The regional center has become a global edifice on the land of Egypt and a landmark in the field of training on a local and regional level, where 250 training courses are held annually at the headquarters of the center and its branches, with the participation of 5,000 trainees from Egypt and 200 trainees from various Arab and African countries. The center has also recently transferred a number of training programs to distance learning systems in line with the precautionary measures to confront the corona pandemic through the educational platform Moodle, which provides courses in an electronic content method, as well as the virtual meeting between the trainer and trainees and the interactive video, so that the training becomes more distinctive and efficient. The distinguished activity of the Regional Training Center had a great impact in signing the agreement to renew the accreditation of the Regional Training Center with UNESCO as a second category center for training and water studies in arid and semi-arid regions for a period of 8 years from 2022 to 2030. The center strives to improve the training process, and it's always keen to compete in many different fields at the local, regional, and international levels with its effective human energies, supporting both educational and training services to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals and Egypt's strategic vision within the framework of training and education.
Thank you.